Are you tired of store-bought bread that's full of stuff you don't want? What if I told you that you can make incredible healthy, gluten-free, vegan, and yeast-free bread right at home? No fancy ingredients or complicated steps needed. This bread is so easy, anyone can make it. Watch this video and I'll show you how to bake your new favorite loaf in just 5 simple steps. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the info box below. As always, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and it really helps if you give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I'm happy to answer any questions you have there.